Hello, everyone, and welcome to our next technical analysis review for the Euro US dollar pair. Today is March 19th, 2014, and we are currently looking at price action on the 10-minute chart. This yellow vertical line here divides yesterday's trading session from today's trading session, and as you can see, the dollar was the primary mover for today and strengthened across multiple asset classes as the Fed took a slightly more hawkish position regarding their forward guidance. And the market, pretty much the market was waiting to see what Janet Yellen and the FOMC members would do, what they would decide, since there were talks of them shifting to a more qualitative guidance on rates and possibly lowering the employment threshold to 6.5%. So then, of course, there's this expectation that they were going to continue tapering at 10 billion per month. There's this expectation of them possibly lowering the employment threshold. But what really benefited the greenback on today was when Fed Chairman, during her press conference, she sort of suggested and hinted toward there possibly being a rate hike as soon as 6 months after the end of quantitative easing, or when they stop tapering, which would be around the spring of 2015. So then, of course, this news shocked the market. We saw a fall in equities. That slid lower, but at the same time, we saw Treasury sell off, which helped to support the dollar bias. And as you can see with the Euro-US dollar pair, it fell about 124 pips from the session high at around 39.34 to the session low here at 38.10 for about a 124 pip trade. And prior to this announcement, you can see that the market was pretty calm. There was little volatility prior to the FOMC announcement, as the price was in a period of consolidation, but then it eventually broke this consolidation and it fell. And as it began to fall and drift lower, a lot of the dollar bears were squeezed out of their positions as stops were being triggered on this move lower, which also increased momentum to the downside. So we saw this sell-off in the Euro-US dollar pair, and we can expect to see more Euro-US dollar weakness heading into the Asian trading session. However, before there may be further weakness, we may also see some type of correction or pullback before we get that major leg lower down beyond or below the 3,800 level. So let's say there is a correction. Let's say it does decide to break higher and break to the upside. Then our next approaching area of resistance could be this 38.34 level, which is actually our March 11th low. But if I was to draw in the Fibonacci retracement of this event-related move to the downside, if I was to draw in this Fibonacci retracement, you can see that around here, our 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level is around the same area as our March 11th low, around 38.34, 38.36. So this is the next approaching resistance on its way up. Now, if price breaks below or breaks above this resistance, then our next approaching resistance could be around a 38.46.47 level, which is actually, our March 13th low, around 38.46. So then this could be the next approaching level of resistance. And from there, if price breaks above that, then our next resistance level could be at the 38.79, 38.80 zone, which is actually our 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. So then this could be where it will correct before drifting lower, and we see a continuation of dollar strength as the weeks move on. So then price could rally and correct and head all the way up to 38.80 or 38.40, 46 to be exact, and this resistance level at 38.36. Now, at one point, it did find resistance at this level when there was a small pullback and correction, and then it made its way lower. It tried to test these lows again around the 38.10 support here, but you can see that price failed, and it's sort of respecting this area of support, and it appears as if it wants to try to head higher and go through even a deeper correction. But we don't know. Of course, we got to wait to see what happens. But let's say, as we move into the Asian session, let's say price does continue to the downside. We see a continuation of this sell-off past this support. And right now we have this ascending trend line support. This white line is ascending trend line support from our longer time frame. If we go to, let me see, if we go to the 3-hour chart, you can see this ascending trend line support forming, which prices has found support, or where price is heading into, at this moment, or close to at this moment. So then that is our next approaching support. We're at the 15-minute chart right now. This area, this zone right here between 3810 and actually our 3800 psychological level, because we still have this zone to break through as well, the 3800 psychological level. So then if price breaks below this zone of support here, then our next approaching support would be around 3780 level, or 3782, which is actually our March 4th high. And or if it does break below that, then we may see price drift lower and fall lower to around the 3744 level. So then those are our next approaching supports heading into the Asian trading session, if price does break below these lows here. But of course, we're waiting to see what will happen. It seems as if price, wants to consolidate or trade within this range. We'll see what will happen as the day moves on. But that's it for my technical analysis review. But before I close out this video, I want to remind you guys that our special limited time offer is still on the table. We're still allowing those of you that are on our email list, or even follow us on Facebook, to sign up to our VIP premium membership and receive live real-time trading education right in front of your eyes. You get to actually invest in and become a part of that for only $1. $1, you will have access to the entire Slumdog Forex trading system with the video tutorials, bonuses, different resources. But not only that, you will be able to meet with us 2 to 3 times a week on our trading webinars and see us place live trades in the live market, or just analyze the market and look for opportunities to enter on the chart and use the Slumdog Forex trading system in front of you. So if you would like to be a part of this special membership, then I will encourage you to click on the link below or follow the directions at the end of this video, and you will be able to join us on tomorrow's webinar, because our next live webinar will be on tomorrow morning. So of course, I'm looking forward to you guys joining us then. Take us up on this $1 offer, and hopefully I'll be able to meet you and talk to you then. You guys have a wonderful, blessed day, and I will see you guys later. All right, get in, bye.